R2, U,
R,
down, back, down, back, down.
finish.
Yeah. It's also to, it's, I don't know how children do it, but it's very difficult to unlearn what you have learned. And
This
then
is
learn
online.
something
Online
else.
also people learn nowadays, so it's easy for me to teach. Nowadays people are picking fast. First I used to
No, but it's to unlearn something. See, if you're learning this first
Correct.
time, it is okay. But when you're unlearning it and then learning this is very hard.
Correct.
Okay. Thank you so much. I've at least understood what I need.
Sure.
And I will take it.
Any difficulty, you tell me.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hopefully I should be done with this.